Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome into For the Low. My name is Spencer, and today I've got this super cool Kenwood 5-disc CD player. The model number is DP-R793. But before we get into it, did you know that the complete diameter of a CD is 120 millimeters? Yeah, now you know that. So let's go ahead and talk about this. So on the rear panel of it, you have your line output for your audio, and then you have system control if you want to connect it to an amplifier. To wire it up, you'll just connect your power cable and then match up the colors of your audio cable on the back. And then you'll want to connect it to speakers similar to these probably. You can connect it to just about any speaker though if you have the correct adapter. So we'll go ahead and insert a CD and play it back. And this device does have a remoteless operation. You can't connect a remote to it as there's no remote sensor. But if you want to connect it to a sound system, you would be able to control it with your sound system. On the front panel of the device, you have a power button, edit, speed, play mode, check, clear, time display. You can adjust the way it displays the time. A random button if you want to shuffle through all the CDs or just through one CD. Your repeat button if you want it to play non-stop, or if you want to play one song or one CD non-stop. And then you have your disc select buttons. You got fast rewind and fast forward, and then you have skip backward and skip forward to skipping through tracks. Then you have a disc skip button, open close button, stop, and your play pause button. That's pretty much all there is for this Kenwood CD player. There isn't really too much to it. It's very basic. If you want something basic, it's good for you. But if you want to order one, you can give us a call or check out our online store.